Hello everyone. No, in this pre-recorded video, our instructor give us an activity to answer. How do human acts affect relationships and society? No, so we all know that human act is an act performed with full knowledge and free will. So human act can sometimes or actually consider a simple act of kindness, whether it's big or small. So how human act affect in relationships, for example, an act of aggression, like bullying, it can severely damage relationships. It can create fear, trauma, and mistrust. But in the other hand, if it is act of love, support, and communication, it can actually build a strong and healthy relationship. Well, in the society, our actions collectively shape our social fabric. No, when we say social fabric, kana bang pakigiusa sa komunidad, o sa mga katawhan, like that. So example like voting or volunteering. It in that way, you can contribute um, to a more equitable society. When we say equitable society, kanang katilingban nga patas ba, why discrimination o kanang makatarunganon ba. So mao na siya ang equitable society. So in short, our choices and actions matter. So every human act, regardless of size or contribute to the overall state of relationship and society. um, by choosing kindness, empathy, and responsibility, we can build stronger community. And also a better world for everyone. So that's all. Thank you.